In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a repeater on Wix. Whether you're looking to clean up your page by deleting individual items from a repeater, or you want to remove the entire component altogether, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, let's focus on removing individual items from a repeater. Begin by selecting the repeater itself in the Wix editor. This is a crucial first step because it sets the stage for the changes you're about to make. Once you've clicked on the repeater, the editing options will become visible. Look over to the panel that appears and locate the option that says Manage Items. It's here where you can take a closer look at all the elements within that specific repeater setup. Now, within this management window, find the specific item you want to remove. Next to each item, on its right side, there will be a small icon that looks like 3 dots. This icon is your key to making individual adjustments. Click on it, and you'll see a few quick action options appear. Among these, you'll want to select Delete. With just one more click, your selected item will be removed from the repeater, streamlining your page just the way you want it. Sometimes, however, you might decide that it's not just 1 or 2 items that need to go, but the entire repeater itself. Thankfully, Wix makes this process just as straightforward. Begin by clicking on the repeater element as a whole. You should see that familiar bounding box appear, indicating that it's selected and ready for editing. With the entire component highlighted, you have a couple of options at your fingertips. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts for speed and efficiency, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will instantly remove the whole repeater from your page. Alternatively, if mouse actions are more your style, right-click on the selected repeater. A context menu will appear, and from there you can easily choose the Delete option to achieve the same result. And there you have it. Whether you're only looking to tidy up specific pieces within a repeater or aiming to remove the entire functionality from your design, these steps should help you manage your Wix page effectively and efficiently. Remember that making these changes can greatly impact the look and navigation of your site, so consider what fits best for your overall design. I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and you feel more empowered to make these edits with confidence. Be sure to explore other editing features Wix offers to keep enhancing your site's appearance and functionality. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in our next how-to guide.